Euroclean Health Pro is a lightweight, handheld vacuum cleaner that is compact and easy to use. It's powered by a UVC germicidal formula which removes pathogens, bacteria and viruses in the process of cleaning. It is the first vacuum cleaner that's equipped with a 4-stage cleaning process that includes stabbing, powerful suction, sanitization and the final stage of cleaning through HEPA filtration. To boot the device, press the forward button on UV sanitization and press the button backwards for 4-stage cleaning. That includes stabbing, suction, sanitization and HEPA filtration. Health Pro comes with a prefixed hose pipe, which frees you from the task of connecting an extension. The flexible hose can be used to clean paintings, electronic devices like laptops, and televisions. The shoulder strap enables you to use the vacuum cleaner hands-free and hassle-free. The floor-cum-carpet cleaner accessory is a versatile accessory that becomes a floor cleaner at the flick of a button. And likewise becomes a carpet cleaner. The crevice nozzle gets rid of dirt from corners and crevices which are inaccessible. Euroclean Health Pro is enabled with a dust container that can be cleaned efficiently with just the press of a button. Let's make cleaning hassle-free. Eureka Forbes, your friend for life.